Have you ever wondered how this olive oil is made? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel No Logic. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Today, we're taking a journey into the world of olive oil. From tree to table, we're going to show you the entire process of making olive oil. Let's dive in. Harvesting the olives. Our journey starts in the olive groves where the olives are harvested. There are two main methods of harvesting: by hand and using mechanical shakers. Hand picking is labor-intensive but ensures the olives are handled gently, preserving their quality. Mechanical shakers, on the other hand, are more efficient and can harvest large quantities quickly. Transportation and cleaning. Once harvested, the olives are transported to the mill as quickly as possible to prevent fermentation and deterioration. At the mill, the olives are thoroughly cleaned to remove leaves, twigs, and any impurities. Crushing and malaxing. Next, the olives are crushed into a paste using large stone mills or more modern stainless steel crushers. This olive paste then undergoes a process called malaxing, where it is slowly churned to allow the tiny oil droplets to combine into larger ones. Malaxing usually takes 20 to 40 minutes and is crucial for maximizing oil extraction. After malaxing, the olive paste is ready for oil extraction. This can be done using either a centrifuge or a traditional hydraulic press. Centrifuges spin the paste at high speeds to separate the oil, water, and solid components. Hydraulic presses, on the other hand, use pressure to squeeze the oil out of the paste. Separation and filtering. The extracted oil is then separated from any remaining water and solids. Once separated, the oil is filtered to remove any remaining impurities. This step ensures that the olive oil is clear and pure. Quality control. Quality control is a critical part of olive oil production. Samples of the oil are tested in a laboratory for acidity, flavor, and other quality indicators. Only oil that meets strict quality standards is labeled as extra virgin olive oil. Bottling and packaging. Finally, the olive oil is ready to be bottled and packaged. Bottling is done in a controlled environment to ensure the oil remains fresh. Dark glass bottles or tins are often used to protect the oil from light, which can degrade its quality. And there you have it. From harvesting the olives to bottling the oil, that's how olive oil is made. Thank you for watching.